Good evening, I'm Kristen Baki. Thanks for joining us. New evacuations near Isabella tonight as we learn it could be months before the Greenwood fire is out. Superior National Forest leaders give an update tonight on what's the largest wildfire Minnesota has seen in years. Greenwood is now 4,700 acres in size, burning southwest of Isabella. 90 homes and cabins have been evacuated. 40 others could soon be evacuated. 200 people are now involved in the firefight. 120 more arrive tomorrow. No structures have been damaged at this point, but there's major concern about the weather coming tomorrow night and Saturday and how it could grow the fire quickly. Officials say it could be a couple weeks before there's any containment. It may take snow flying in October to help put it out completely. And tonight, fire officials came together to update community members on how they are planning to keep people and property safe. CBS 3's Natalie Grant was in Finland tonight with more on the efforts.
Welcome to the Greenwood Fire informational briefing.
Close to 100 concerned community members and property owners gathered in Finland Thursday night, anxiously awaiting the first public update on the Greenwood fire.
They're doing the best they can.
Wally and Joyce Keel have lived in their Isabella home for 26 years. They are one of the 40 people in the pre-evacuation area.
We're pretty lucky the way the wind has been blowing. It's been blowing kind of away from our place. But if the wind starts to come out of the west, we've probably got a big problem.
Packing their bags for a fire is something the Keels know all too well. Just 10 years ago, they did the same for the Pagami fire.
I think we were a little more informed on the Pagami because it was a lot bigger at the time. And there's so much going on in the fire department all over the country that they just haven't had time to do anything but try and fight the fire.
This busy fire season has called for reinforcements, with an Eastern Area Incident Management team now leading the charge. Right now, their main goal is to move the fire in a way that protects most property.
But that whole eastern side is our concern now. And luckily enough, if that fire front right now progresses east, that will be south of McDougall Lake, where most of our structures are. That's why we're trying to keep the spread from heading north.
For residents like the Keels, it's a waiting game, but they are thankful for meetings like this, keeping them informed.
What else do? Just kind of hope for the best.
If you missed the meeting tonight and would like to watch it, we'll have a link on our website, cbs3duluth.com.